Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jen from the Clayton Candle Company. Well, it's that time of year again where I have a new candle line coming out. So this is my spring line. So if you saw my previous video, I got my scents in. I ordered them on time this year and I banged out all of my candles all on the same day. So I have 6 candle or spring scents coming out. Some of them are from last year and then 2 of them are actually new. So first up, we have one that was actually last year, but I never made a video on it, and this is April Showers. So April Showers is a mix of rainwater with a honeysuckle and nectar. You definitely get the nectar tones to it. This one was actually very popular, and it's one, like, it's not just for April, honestly, but it is definitely a spring scent. I would probably put this one away come summertime just because it reminds me of when we're starting to go into spring and it's like, I would say like 60, 70 degrees outside and you get that very nice rain shower. That's what it reminds me of. So I wanted to add that into my line. This is actually from last year. Like I said, it did really well and I definitely recommend it. So one of the things I did differently this year is I normally pick scents that I like. So I started asking my customers, what were they looking for? I started looking at what other people were kind of selling to get an idea, and that's how I came up with my 2 new scents. So one of my new scents is Rose Water. So this one is floral, but it's not over the top floral. I didn't want to have too many floral options in my candle line. I do have one coming up. It's going to be Mayflowers. Now, if you're looking for one that is floral, it is Mayflowers. I mean, this one is tulips, honeysuckle. Honeysuckle. What else did I put in this one? Vanilla. This is all the florals you want. If you want a floral in a cup, there you go. No, Mayflowers. Okay, back to Rose Water. So this one is subtle. It, to me, has more of a vanilla perfume smell than it does the rose floral scent. This one I would recommend using in the bathtub, actually. So I think of rose petals like in your bathtub and you're soaking, maybe a nice glass of wine, you're relaxing after a hard day of work. This is one I definitely recommend for that. And that is one of my new ones. Okay, next we have Melonberry. So Melonberry reminds me of watermelon, a little bit of lemon, and actually blueberry. So I'm a huge blueberry fan. You'll see that because a lot of my scents have to do with blueberry. And with this one, when you're getting ready for, spring and then you're getting ready for summer, I think of lemonade out on the porch, especially like, for example, today was like 60, 70 degrees. Today was the perfect day to enjoy a nice cup of lemonade on the porch. So this is one that I would actually burn in spring and summer. So I definitely recommend this one. It's more of a fruity smell, which I feel like a lot of candles aren't fruity. So I like this one. My next one is Citrus Lavender. This is actually new, and if you did watch my haul, you heard me say I really think that this citrus would go well with lavender, and that is what I did. It really complements, the lavender really complements the citrus, so this one has the hot throw of the citrus, but the cold throw of the lavender, so this one's like a hidden gem. This one I feel like you could just burn all year round, honestly. This is not like just a spring one. It is one that is definitely going to fill the room, and it is one I feel like won't be overpowering. It's just a nice, subtle background scent. Can I say that? Like a background scent. And it was one that I would actually have burning probably as you walked into my house, just because I love that one so much and I want that to be your first impression when you walk in. So yes, that's delicious. And then my last one is Creamsicle. I personally feel like you can't go wrong with an orange creamsicle. It's one of my favorite childhood memories of having either like, do you remember those old fashioned sodas, like the creamsicle sodas? Love those. And also just like an ice cream, you know. Big fan of this one. This one actually did really well last year. I brought it back again this year, and this one I honestly would burn spring and summer just because it smells so good. It makes me want to go to the freezer and get a popsicle. So there you have it. There is my spring line. I'm very excited for it. I'm actually doing things a little differently. I'm going to roll them all out at the same time. I've taken photos of all of my candles, actually my 2 new ones, and there's a video that I'm actually producing that will show you how I take my photography and the kind of like behind the scenes of how I edit from start to finish. So be sure to check out that video. If you are interested in any of my candles, my website is down in the description bar. And if you have any questions, be sure to drop me a comment down below. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a new video, and I will see you on the next one. Hey, have you ever ran into a problem with your candles having maybe a little small divot? I can show you how to fix that. Check out this video right here. And if you would love to make candles and a full tutorial, check out this playlist right here. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel.